Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, SirTaalib.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you learn?
I learn at government madrasa campus and high school course.
Do you learn English in the evening?
Yes, I do.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English in the Light Academy of Research.
Who teach you?
Taalib then teach there.
What will you tell us today?
I will tell you what you ask.
What should I do to learn English?
You should first of all join a center. You should make speech. You should work hard day and night. You should speak English in bazaar. You should speak English with strangers. You should speak English with everyone. You should speak English every day. You should speak English with children. You should speak English with elder. You should speak English. You should speak English in bazaar. You shouldn't lose courage. You shouldn't lose heart. You should speak English with everyone. You should speak English with children. You should make dialogues. You should make a speech. You should write new words, sentences. You should speak English all the time. You should speak English at home. You shouldn't waste your time. You should speak English with strangers. In this way, you can learn English very soon. Thank you.
अगर तो फ़ायदा हो रहा है फिर तो दूसरों को भी मुस्तफ़ीद होने का मौका ज़रूर दें। जिस तरह ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि जो चीज़ आपको पसंद है किसी और को भी पसंद हो, और इसी तरह ये भी ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो चीज़ आपको पसंद नहीं आ रही है तो किसी और को पसंद नहीं आए। लिहाजा ज़्यादा शेयर करें और लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर।